one of the reasons out there. But it's time for our special segment, D-Street Chatter. Nimesh is in fine form. He's all set for the game and he's dressed appropriately as well. Nimesh, Chakte India. Tell us what you're picking up.
I'm just waiting for this, my link to get over and rush for the match. So again, I think today's rally is largely on back of global risk on. So that's playing up and that's helping Indian markets as well. But now it's backed by FI buying as well. So today, there is, again, my sense is there is a market at close basket buying. Long list of stocks is what I understand at the leading FI. So probably you'll see a decent number from the FIs in today's trade. I guess from a technical perspective, above 19,550, you could see a further short coming rally. So watch out for that. We're trading above those levels, so that momentum can continue. And while the momentum in the mid cap continues, today is a day for the real estates to do well. So a lot of real estate stocks are buzzing in trade and on good volumes. So clearly the traction seems to be on the high beta names, and that's how the market seems to be. But today, for a change, I understand the rally is supported by FI buying as well.
Nimesh, I know you're waiting to run, but we'll go. We got 4-5 more questions with you today.
Right till 3:30.
It's a nice 10-minute segment, Nimesh, today. Huh?
I'm happy to do that, Prashant. Because again, after the first match, what I saw in Ahmedabad, I've realized the idea is to go after 30-35 hours and then enjoy the evening, because that's how normally the matches have turned out to be quite good. So
I know the sun is down, in a cooler, I think, and all of that matters.
I can look at Nimesh's face and say, Prashant, you're delaying him. Gill is going to score that century. He wants to be there at the stadium. When Gill raises his bat,
It's a very important segment. Let's take it seriously, guys. 10 minutes. Stick with it.
Absolutely. I'm fine.
More stocks.
Nimesh, so what are you picking up?
So, Prashant, in terms of individual names, the first stock is Protean. The new listing, in 2 days, the stock is up 30%. Today, the stock is locked at 20% upper circuit, big volumes as well. And I understand in today's trade, the domestic PMS is an active buyer, and hence a big move in that stock. So that's the first one. The second stock is Oberoi Realty. I spoke about real estate stocks buzzing in trade. Oberoi stands out largely on back of very strong buy flows. And also I understand the street is now anticipating the launch of the Thana project very soon. So that's a big trigger for Oberoi going forward. The third stock is Federal Bank. Marginally under pressure today, but for the last couple of days, there is strong institutional buying happening in that stock. Even in today's trade, the volumes are on the higher side, so expect high delivery volumes. And looks like some large fund seems to be quite active buyer in Federal Bank. And the last one is Shriram Finance. Similar to what the sense in Federal Bank, even in Shriram Finance, there are very strong buy flows, so expect high delivery volumes. And this is one stock where I understand a leading long only fund is an active buyer.
Nimesh, so what else should we talk about?
Let's break down each of these companies.
Nimesh is thinking I should not have told these guys that I'm waiting to run.
Absolutely fine, Prashant. In fact, you know what, Prashant, we spoke about some unheard names, right? You spoke about some stock which you've not heard of, but a lot of action there. So you ask and I'll respond.
Guys, come on. Let him be. Let him be. The poor man is smiling away through it all, through the grilling.
We won't do that. We won't do that to you, Nimesh. Thank you very much for joining us. Enjoy and cheer for all of us there, and report back when you join us next. Thanks very much, Nimesh.
Thank you, Prashant.
All right. Well, let's move on and take a look at what else is happening.